So my name is Joel Schmidt and I'm the Vice President at Bay Valley Insulation in Fremont, California. We insulate residential and some commercial settings with retrofit wall, attic, and subfloor insulation. We also do sound control insulation between interior walls. So at Bay Valley Insulation, we're not going to try and sell you something that you don't need. Our primary focus is attic upgrades, followed by walls. And if you're going to need windows more than you need floor insulation, we're going to share that with you rather than try and sell you just what we can do. If you have existing attic insulation that we can build on, we prefer to do that for you rather than take out something that's perfectly good and throw it away. There's a certain amount of fear being peddled in this industry right now that attics have to be vacuumed out and that you need to start over clean and fresh, that the insulation that's existing is old or it's the wrong color or it's not working anymore. Most of the time these things aren't true. If we can build on what you've got, we can save you the trouble of paying for removal, we can save that insulation from going into the landfill, and we can give you a lifetime product that's going to outlast us both. So Bay Valley Insulation has been in business under the same management since 1988. I've been with the company for 20 years. The main installer has been with the company longer than that. You're getting a lifetime of experience when you hire Bay Valley Insulation to upgrade your attic insulation or retrofit your exterior walls or insulate your subfloor. There's no problem that we haven't seen before. We're the company to deal with the odd 1930s construction or the more common modern framing of a 60s, 70s ranch house. When you hire Bay Valley Insulation to insulate your exterior walls, we finish the job we start. Once the walls are filled with at least R13 blown cellulose, we're going to patch, texture, seal, and prime the patches, and we'll even touch up the patches if you supply the house paint. We don't send you scrambling for a stucco contractor to finish our work. It'll all be done. At Bay Valley Insulation, we have a gasoline-powered truck-mounted blower that's bolted to the floor in our main truck. It's got its own dedicated gas tank. The whole point of this equipment is to deliver industrial power to insulating your walls or attic. We're able to lift cellulose, which is a reasonably heavy insulation, 3 stories to your attic if we need to, or easily do second or third floor walls and fill them properly in an efficient manner. Companies that use an electric blower show up needing 2 20-amp circuits to make their equipment work, and those blowers just simply don't have the strength to do this. So they're more likely to sell you a lighter product that may not suit your best needs. If you have a need for insulation, don't put it off. The sooner the insulation is installed, the sooner you enjoy lower utility bills, and you get to keep those for the life of the insulation for the rest of the time you're in the house. So call us today.